It is Mardi Gras time, and you know what that means. It's time to break out the king cake. This is your traditional king cake. It is that iconic cake dough with a delicious cinnamon touch. However, for this one, the filling is a little bit different and not so much what you might expect for a traditional king cake. It does have the beautiful yellow, green, and purple colors atop with similar colors in beading. It is not dry. It is very much a cakey texture, almost more along the lines of a flaky pie dough, but not all the way a pie dough. But let's go ahead and cut into this and show you what it looks like on the inside. And you can see what makes this king cake so delicious. Check out that center. Yes, you see it correctly. There is a lemon curd filling in addition to a strawberry filling. So this is a strawberry and lemon king cake. It may not be what you expect traditionally, but I have to say it is absolutely perfect. And there is the baby. Someone is going to have some good luck this year. That tart lemon with that cinnamony dough and that glazed icing on top gives the best flavor ever.